Hello, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria, and this is Reaction Room. So, I don't want to talk about last episode because we witnessed a horrific death, two horrific deaths. First, that decent, innocent salesman, and another one, that opera singer, which I truly felt so bad and sad for him, especially the vision that Louis saw in his mind when he was dying slowly, and it was so sad. But I watched episode 2 again, and that scene, when Lestat shouts at Louis and says, "Well, I don't say you have to enjoy it. Embrace what you are. You are a killer, Louis." That scene gave me goosebumps, guys. Yeah, that was hair-raising scene. And it reminds me of Tom Cruise in the interview with the vampire movie, because I know that he has the exact same scene and he says this dialogues in the movie. And I went back and watched the movie with Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt in that specific scene. And it's not comparing these two, that which one is better or which one is not, but you can see it for yourself.
I like to do it. I enjoy it.
Well, I like to do it. I enjoy it.
Well, I don't say that you have to enjoy it! Kill them swiftly if you will, but do it! Kill them swiftly if you have to, but do it! For do not doubt, you are a killer, Louis! Embrace what you are! You are a killer, Louis!
Yeah, so it's not like I want to compare these two, but Sam Reed, guys, yeah, he nailed it. I mean, who is this Sam Reed? I never saw him. I never heard of him. Do you know him? He's so talented. He's a whole package. He's a complete package. The look, the acting, the voice, body, everything. He's great. He's awesome. Why he haven't won Oscar or something? He's so powerful actor. Even his eyes and his lips when he's acting, great. He's awesome. He's awesome. And I don't know if he's gay in real life. Tell me about him if you know him. If you know his TV shows or movies. Tell me if you want to watch. If you want me to watch his movies and TV shows together. Okay, so I won't say more than this. So let's get into episode 3 together. It's getting more and more exciting, guys. I really want to know what's gonna happen between Lestat and Louis. Is my And I like it that every episode has its own name and you can find it in their dialogues. Very creative. So, did you see Lestat? The way he looks at them?
There's a column in here about the history of this lovely square. It did so after the Place des Vosges in Paris.
Oh my god, like they're like a couple now, sitting on a bench in a park, reading books and newspapers. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them. Lestat is so gorgeous in this suit. Yeah, it really suits him.
Do you ever think that we, that's to say our kind, were put on Earth for a larger purpose?
Your purpose is to enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
We can eat animals and be okay. Rats, cat.
Is okay what you desire, Louis?
desire blood as much as you do.
Yeah.
But I wonder, should we be more selective?
Yeah. Yeah, you can be selective. But you have Lestrade's blood in your body, so.
Instinct is pure instinct. Reason is a set of leg irons.
Yeah.
The ones you admire, the poets, composers,
He's not wrong. He's not wrong, guys. Yeah. Not only eating or drinking cats and ship's blood, but yeah,
Every one of them is capable of abomination.
you can control yourself
Worthy of
about
admiration.
for not
Shakespeare.
eating good people and famous people and talented people.
try something for me. Want to share?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, wait. I have to. Louis called Lestat mon cher. I can't. He's start to, you know, believes that, yeah, I'm in a relationship with you. I love you too.
Say we
I
come
want to be
upon
with
a
you
murderer
too.
planting a flower
I badly want to see this side of
to
Louis
reveal themselves.
As long as it
to
takes.
show his love to Lestat.
You said you would try. Just gotta hold it in.
So he wants to try. They want to try eating bad people.
He's worried he'll urinate all over himself.
He's just a drunk.
Everybody's so
Hmm.
stupid.
And does that meet your satisfaction?
God, he's so fast. And he did it for Louis, right?
Behind the shaking, I've snapped his spine. It's merely a... Well, go on. Here's your criminal biscuit. See how it tastes.
Criminal biscuit. Yeah, he's a bad man, so don't be sorry.
If
Eat
his
him.
vision or his heart fails,
That's what you wanted, right? No. Did you see? Did you see Lestat's face? Like, you're so pathetic.
You're angry.
Yeah.
I'm pondering.
What?
Your night had nothing to do with ridding the world of criminals.
Oh.
Maybe I'm just pondering what I am.
What are you?
For the infinitesimal time. You're a vampire.
I love the hair, woman's hair in that era, like smooth curls, beautiful.
I don't want to kill people anymore.
A fish that doesn't swim. A bird refusing flight.
Yeah, that is right? He was checking on her.
I favor the feline population of New Orleans.
Yeah. And you try to pondering who are you? You're a vampire, Louis. You can be selective, right? You can be. But you can't only eat cats and ships. And definitely not dogs. Please don't eat dogs. It's good. It was a great idea to eat criminals and bad people.
I'm not being paid a small fortune on top of that tip jar to perform. My skills are irrelevant.
People didn't come here to hear you jabber, Mr. Linecourt.
Well, they didn't come here to hear you play either. Otherwise, you'd be in a concert hall and there'd be fewer prostitutes.
This ain't your kind of music.
You can pretend you're a vegetarian. I can pretend the fool.
Nice.
Be my guest.
Thank you.
Did you see the way he walks? Oh my god. He's such a diva.
Know your enemy.
And he's so in love with music. And he's so good at it. No, he's acting. He's
That get your dick wet, gents.
See, I told you it was Joking, right? He's good. Yeah. Look at his face. He's so satisfied.
Tried a few days and Lestat took umbrage. If I'm not mistaken, he improv'd the melody for what would later become the Wolverine Blues.
Lestat really wants to get Louis' love and Louis' attention and Louis' admiring. And Louis doesn't show him like Lestat that I love you or I like you. He's still struggling about what he is. And Lestat has this lack of love and adored and being adored from Louis. So even a little smile from Louis gives Lestat butterflies. So poor Lestat. I said before I'm in Team Lestat, right? Yeah.
The version we speak of now is the more nuanced portrait.
Or the more rehearsed.
So he had a different saying and opinions about Lestat in different interviews.
Abused abuser psychological relationship I'm talking about.
I do not consider myself abused.
I mean, usually when you're a little
Is
too
it kind
close
of
to it,
Stockholm Syndrome? No, it's
the
not Stockholm Syndrome.
abused
No, just forget I said
still
that.
loves the abuser.
But
You
no,
flipped it completely on
abuser?
its head.
What are you talking about?
50 years later, you talk like he was your soulmate.
I don't like
maybe
you,
were locked in
Mr.
some fucked up
Malloy,
gothic
for
romance.
this. Lestat is abuser? No, he's not.
My editor reminds me it's 7 years before car seats are mandatory. My ex-wife reminds me I never owned a Buick. Is the odyssey of recollection. The tapes are an admitted performance. A century later, allow me my odyssey.
Right. So forget last interviews. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Lestat chased an American icon out of town because he loved you.
Lestat filled in for Jelly the next night. He and Miss Brown dazzled the waiting Johns and invited their admirers back to the Rue Royale.
So the last one to leave never left.
No. He would do his killing away from me now. Out of respect, he said, for the choice I had made.
Oh. Thank you, Lestat. Oh,
Frolicking repeated
the
itself.
rats, Louis.
I barely had the energy to hold up a book.
Yeah.
My
Oh my god.
I understood the indulgence. I let it happen.
We have to convince Lestat to keep playing.
Keep playing. The way she talks.
Did a good run, but I did it for Louis. I do everything for Louis.
He'd do anything for Louis.
Yeah, I heard that about you too.
Oh, what have you heard? Oh, come now. Mind don't bite.
So she's a food?
What do the employees at the Azalea say about Louis and Lestat?
She's his food? I don't think so because
Are there 2 beds upstairs or 1?
Do you want to find out?
No one goes upstairs, Miss Brown.
so there's a rumor about them in the city.
Well, there's my answer. I like soft hands. I like burnished complexions.
You do?
I like men called daddy.
Oh my god.
Your blouse is soaked in champagne. Bad, Daddy.
What?
I'm hungry. Think I I'm gonna get something to eat.
He's not enjoying it.
He gets that way when he's hungry.
Of course, when you eat only animals, you're gonna be weak.
She burn quick.
See for yourself.
Killed her? So no, he didn't kill her.
No. She has talent.
No, I told you he didn't kill her. Right. Because he enjoys playing with her, singing with her, and he loves music, so what did he do so with her? Just sleep with her, or had a petit coupe from her neck?
Are not enough?
What? Don't laugh. Oh my God, Louis.
Don't laugh.
Louis.
Don't laugh.
No. We're all on you.
No, don't.
Stop
We'll be
it.
together 10,000 nights. 100,000. What we're doing is hard.
I can smell her on you.
Oh my God.
From time to time, I like a little variety. There. I said it. We're communicating so much better now, no?
I mean, did you see Louis when he said, aren't I enough? Like he has feelings. Like he feels something for Lestat. He was jealous. Right? He's got jealous. And yeah, I mean, Lestat shouldn't have laughed at him, but him laughing was like he was so surprised and happy that Louis told him that. He said, Louis, and laughed like, so you finally thought about us, and you seeing yourself and me in a relationship and being a couple. Oh my God. He got so happy. He was so happy when Louis said that. But he said, I need a variety. From time to time, I need some variety. But he isn't completely wrong though, because when you're immortal and you're going to live forever, it's kind of unrealistic to think that you're going to be with one person till the end of the world. But for Lestat, yeah, of course, there's only one person. He loves only one, and that person is Louis. And when he says, we are together for 100 years, 10,000 years, that means you are my love. You are my only one. But sometimes I need some variety. And that doesn't mean love. My love is only for you. Okay, let's continue.
So I can fuck whoever I want.
Of course. Of course. Of course. As long as you come home.
Lestat!
Of course.
Saying of course for 4 times, 5 times is a big no. Of course. As long as you come home to me, of course. It's a no. Oh my God, we all know Lestat's nature. He's so jealous. Oh no. I'm so curious what's gonna happen. So Louis gonna have his revenge, gonna get his revenge and gonna sleep with someone else. Oh my God, I can't imagine how or what Lestat's reaction would be. No, no, he's jealous type. He's a jealous type. Oh my God.
Self an end around. It's pure capitalism, Mr.
I don't like
Fenway.
this man.
Christ,
I don't like all of them,
You're writing another
but
ordinance. You know that, don't
but
you?
he.
You think you're printing money here? It's 8 pennies compared to what the builders brought the city.
He's still angry that Louis didn't accept his 10%, 15%. You know, you remember?
There's a gentleman asking for you, Mr. Dulac. A man in uniform.
A man in a uniform?
Boy, Jonah?
Look at his suit.
Jonah, make it. How long?
Oh my God. Lestat is watching him.
Told Grace you wouldn't remember me.
Of course I remember. You were listening. You seen Grace?
Saw this
Who
morning.
is he? Old friend? Family friend?
Getting the yacht ready for a birthday party.
Oh, yeah, right. Twins. She got twin girls.
What about Paul?
Oh yeah, poor
Yeah.
Paul.
Oh. Where you been, Jonah?
Philadelphia for a spell, hotel work, and a
Look at Lestat. I mean,
How long you here?
come on.
Couple nights. The boat over the ocean. Me and a couple thousand other fellas were in this same costume.
You think this is nice? Wait till you see my pretty automobile.
Is he an old friend or old something else?
Ain't aged a day since I seen you last.
Oh yeah.
That's the moonlight line is all.
Moonlight?
Yeah, I got someone.
Good as much. No ring on your finger.
Not a woman.
Okay.
Well, what's he like?
He's a lot. It's not perfect. But we kind of have this agreement.
One of those you can drive out to the bayou kind of agreements?
Good fit.
So yeah, he wants to do something. Oh my God. Oh my God, Lestat is here? I'm sure he's hiding somewhere. Oh my God, he's gonna jump out behind and kill him. Oh my God, Louis. I mean, they were together when they were younger. Oh God, the heartbeat. The heartbeat. Oh no. Please don't kill him because he's hungry and he hasn't eaten properly. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound? Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Oh God, Louis. So he did that to not to kill him, right?
Hello?
Hello.
How was your night?
Fine. Yours?
Fine.
Fine.
He found me, you know. Grace told him where to find me.
An old love.
He had a few early fumbles. He was 16. I was.
So yeah, they were together. They did something together, some stuff.
We both knew even then we were a little different.
Wow.
How's Antoinette?
Tedious. No, I don't see that happening again. These affairs always flame out.
Right? Now that he's scared, like, is Louis gonna do it? again? Is he gonna keep doing it? Because he's so jealous. He's a jealous kind. And he said, like, no, I don't think I'm gonna do it again. She's tedious. She was tedious.
Shall we have a night out tomorrow?
Oh my god. He's so calm, but oddly calm, Lestat.
I was gonna go see Grace and the kids. Keep up appearances. How about after?
Fine.
Fine. The way he said fine is not fine. What's that? It was Lestat's shoes?
Here comes the girls!
What?
Hurry, he's gonna get us!
Party was this afternoon.
Someone must told them that.
Seeing my invitation got lost.
They're kids.
You want to come around, you come around when people are awake.
It's barely dinner time.
Yeah, like he always
6
met
months and you
met
just
them.
show up. You're not welcome in this home.
I own this home.
Oh,
I ain't come here to see you. I didn't come here to see you, Louis.
I didn't like this mother, and I still don't.
Came here to
They're
see
afraid of
Grace.
you.
Get
That's
the
why
girls.
you didn't
Don't do this to him. Whoa. Oh my God, Louis.
There he is. There
My God.
he is.
So they know something?
Grace.
Only because he
Grace.
met them in the night? He only come to see them at night because he can't come in the morning under the sun. And his mother, oh my God, I hate his mother. He's your son. For God's sake. I love Lestat enjoying himself. Always happy and energetic. Oh my God, look at him.
Oh, I thought we could have an orgy. You can fuck them and I can eat them.
What about the coffin room?
And a German on the bayonet. Kill the Hans. I brought them.
Come on. Oh,
Get him out of here.
Well, now that I know you have a type, I thought you'd be pleased.
Let's start.
you have a type, so he did it on purpose. Lestat. Oh my God. He's so powerful. I mean, oh my God, look at his ear. His ear is bleeding. It takes so much energy out of him. I mean, you can control 1, 2, 3 person, but this whole, there are like, what, 50? His both ears are bleeding.
Oh,
And
joy,
his
oh,
face
boy.
is pale. I mean, you didn't have to do that, right? You could ask them, please leave. We have some issue here. You have to leave. Sorry. That was more simple. Why you had to control them with your power and oh my God, his ears, his face. He's so powerful.
Not funny.
I'm a lot. I'm not perfect.
What?
I knew you.
Yeah, I knew he was there.
You jealous?
Yes, I don't like sharing.
What about Antoinette?
It's different. I don't have feelings for her.
He did me some face and I drove him home.
I heard your heart
God, Lestat.
You watched the whole thing like some creeper. And then I watched you pull over and drain the dog. This is not a life. That's because you took my life. I got nothing. I lost everything. I lost my brother. I lost my family. About to lose the last fucking thing I care about.
Look at Lestat. Oh my God, I'm so sad. But you're the one who started, right? You told him that yes, you can fuck everyone you want. But he got jealous, and the way he said, "I heard your heart's dancing," like oh my God, what's that girl? Antoinette? Um, it's just a sex, having fun. He doesn't love her like what he said, and when he heard Louis' heart's dancing, like yeah, you have a feelings for him, and he made him more jealous and angry. Oh my God, the acting, oh my God, both of them. But I have to say this again. He didn't ruin Louis' life. Of course, you lost your brother. You can't see your family and whatever. But I can't accept this that Lestat ruined your life. Maybe people come to me in comments, but no. You said yes. You said yes. You accepted it. He didn't ruin your life. And you can enjoy your immortality, your forever life. You can enjoy it. Be with Lestat for eternity. Oh my God. Come and make me vampire. Make me into a vampire. I'll be with you, Lestat, for eternity.
How am I supposed to get bodies in the door without hookers, hoocher cards?
Hey, you suggest, Mr. Duloc, that you move your operation to the quarter. Just keep your girls out the windows.
Who do you suggest gonna sell me a property in the quarter?
Make Mr. Leon call here then.
Did you sell me the azalea because you knew this day was coming, Tom?
We don't need the money.
It's not about that. You think
Yeah,
I'm gonna
let's
let that
not say
snake
it.
bite
Oh my
me and
God.
my people? Nickels, dimes, quarters.
So it is about the money.
What is it?
He's so calm about everything. Except that jealousy thing. But he's so calm.
This state I was in,
Color,
I was
maybe
what?
no white. What have you? What? Oh, Louis.
By the New Orleans Council of Aldermen for the final infraction.
And in neglect, my thirst grew hotter until I could not stand it any longer.
Yeah.
What broken windows?
And I was through struggling.
Will not be tolerated. We have families and service
Was that
members
in Louis'
nearby.
voice?
Rats, cats, dogs
His
would no longer
monster
suffice.
mind has awakened. Cats and rats.
Fuck with that vampire and see what comes of it. Storyville is the sinking ship. You are the first to drown. But that's your problem, Louis. You're arrogant. You haven't accepted your place in this world.
You know his place?
And your pale lover with his seemingly endless supply of capital.
So
Us
people
won't
know that
change
they
the
are
fact
lovers.
that you're a tiny man flying too close to the sun.
Oh my God, heartbeat. We hear his heartbeat. Oh my God, he's
Your
scared.
heart beating so fast.
Yeah. do this, Louis.
You're thinking about your wife.
Be a vampire, you are.
And how fortunate it is that they're away.
Oh my God.
It is fortunate.
He's reading his mind.
I'll let you reload.
Great. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Said I'm arrogant?
Yes, do it.
Maybe I am arrogant. What are you? I'm a vampire.
Yes. Yes, yes, he confessed it. Oh my God, at last. He really enjoyed doing it. And he confessed that I'm a vampire. I'm so happy now. I don't know why, but I'm so happy now that he did that to that man. And he did it happily. Thank you, Louis. Thank you. I really wanted to see this side of you, vampire side of you, from last episode till now. You did a great job. Oh! Oh my God! So he lost his job, his place, his everything?
I must confess, I'm very proud of you, Louis.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you too.
Managed to execute it with such aplomb.
But yeah, he
I didn't do
destroyed
it
his
for me.
business.
I did it for my city, my people.
Did you not smile when he begged? Did you not feel pleasure as you cut?
Yeah, Lestat knows him really
Maybe
well.
you saw it coming and didn't stop me.
He enjoyed it.
You did what you did because it gave you pleasure.
Yeah, I think so.
Companion of the dark gift, finally. We should make this our anniversary.
Anniversary?
Even in that situation, Lestat is romantic. We should make that our anniversary.
That out there, that's on me.
With such a calm voice and gesture.
I said, toss them into circumstance, they go for the throne.
That's why you and me ain't ever gonna work.
Louis.
That's why you're always gonna be alone.
Oh my God. You're always gonna be alone. That was the worst thing that you could have told him. Say to him. Because he told you. He told you about his weakness and his fear. That is loneliness. He's afraid to be lonely. And you told him that you're gonna be alone forever? No. No. I didn't like it, Louis. He doesn't deserve this.
Can I make it whole again?
Can I help you? Please let me help. Go help.
But yeah, he did this to these people because of you.
A rooming house. Now, I could not save the Azalea.
Oh my God.
I could not save.
He's hearing voices and heartbeats. Someone in there.
But I could save her. My light.
What?
My Claudia. My redemption.
My Claudia? So that was my reaction to Interview with the Vampire, episode 3. He left Lestat heartbroken, and he told him what he shouldn't told him about him being lonely forever. I didn't like that part. Oh my God. He must be so heartbroken right now and angry. Oh, let's start. And he found and saved Claudia. So, is she gonna be a Claudia in the book? Okay. So, is he gonna turn her into a vampire? Can he? Can Louis make someone turn someone into a vampire? I don't know if he can be a maker, but it was great. Episode by episode, it's getting better and better. Of course, it's not gonna leave Lestat, right? Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. So until next time, take care.